Hi everyone, my name is Ayo and this is Anna, our product manager. We have an exciting new product for you today. First time it's going to be revealed.
Oh yes.
Okay, and let's get straight to it.
We're so excited.
Would you like to see it? It's right under here. Let's go. Should we go 3, 2, 1 or 1, 2, 3?
3, 2, 1.
Okay, 3, 2, 1 and ta-da! There you are. Anna, please tell us what we've got here.
Introducing our new 10-inch, 25-centimeter deep skillet with utility rack.
Ooh.
So it's got some extra goodies.
What's that?
Yeah, we'll get to it in a second. First, it is a great 2.8 capacity. It has a beautiful design that features a smaller diameter on the bottom and then gradually increases at the top, so you have more surface area at the top for cooking, especially with liquids. Just a lot of versatility. But because of the depth that we added to the skillet, I mentioned a goodie that we had inside. It is our beautiful utility rack.
This is the first time.
First time we're introducing this as a
ever.
part of this promotion. It fits raised inside your deep skillet. It is made out of 316 stainless steel, made in USA, so matches our high quality materials that we use in our cookware. And
only the best.
Only the best.
For you, the best.
Yes. And it can also be used inverted in one of our other skillets in our product line, so you can grill. Just adds a lot of versatility across the line. So it really creates an environment with one pan where you can cook multiple things at once. So it's a one-pan meal. You don't have to clean up multiple dishes. Super quick in and out of the kitchen. You could have
go on, tell me.
Grains on the bottom, maybe like some rice or maybe some veggies. Salmon fillet on top, chicken breast.
They could have all the juices just soaking into the rice or to the quinoa. Oh my gosh, that sounds
amazing.
Exciting. Hey, do you know we had another thing you can do with this? You can put wood chips in the bottom. You can put a nice brisket on top, and then you could smoke it.
Yes. That sounds amazing.
It's amazing. You can do it with fish, you could do
and with anything that's on that rack, we added a little bit of height to our cover to ensure that you can have that protein or whatever you have grilling on top there coming out delicious. But if you need a little extra height, we even have another pan within our line that can be used as a high dome cover.
The 4-quart.
Yeah.
Just fits on there. You can put a really, if you're hungry, it depends how many people you're trying to feed, then you can use this, isn't it? So that's great. That's fantastic. And you can stack cook from there if you want to, or you can just use it back normal as a pan. I mean, this is amazing. Very versatile.
Yes. And as part of our complete gourmet collection for the campaign, it comes with our beautiful 24 karat plated knob as well as handle. So it matches our collection. Just beauty, style, versatility, everything you need in your kitchen.
Anna, you said it all. And if you want one of these, all you've got to do is speak to your dealer, speak to the consultant distributor, and they're going to show you how you can get this machine, this product absolutely special. First time offer with a twist, with the you
got to get your hands on it.
You need to get on this quick because we only have so many. And then when they're gone, they're gone.
Yes, limited edition.
It's a limited edition. When it's gone, it's gone. Make sure you get one.